Hello friends, welcome back to Daily English Speaking Practice with Principal Sir. Today I have brought for you 200 short and powerful phrases, perfect for greetings, daily life and motivation. These phrases are super easy, very useful, and will make your English sound natural and confident. Let's begin this journey together, and by the end, you'll have 200 new expressions in your pocket. Short phrases: happy birthday, wishing you joy, many happy returns, best wishes always, enjoy your day, you're special today, lots of love, warm wishes, have fun today. A day full of smiles, celebrate big, you shine bright, cheers to you, love and hugs. It's party time. Stay blessed, happiest birthday ever, make a wish, have a blast. Keep smiling, sending love, my best friend forever, you deserve happiness, time to celebrate, happy moments ahead. Always stay happy, many smiles today, special day for you, you are loved. Wishing you success, lots of laughter, best year ahead, you are amazing. Have a bright year. Forever young, wishing you strength, health and happiness, joyful moments. A bright future, cake and fun. Party hard, may dreams come true. Keep shining, best blessings always, enjoy every second, it's your day. A year of joy, celebrate with love, smiles forever. You're the best. Wishing you peace, stay strong, keep going, you are brave, be yourself. Shine on, never give up, keep dreaming, stay positive, be kind always, small steps matter, keep learning, do your best, stay humble. Enjoy the journey, believe in yourself, you are unstoppable. Take it easy, good vibes only, be happy today. Choose kindness, keep the faith, live with joy, stay hopeful, success is yours. Aim higher, you are loved. Chase your dreams, make it happen, keep moving forward. Enjoy the little things, stay grateful, you inspire me, proud of you, believe in magic, follow your heart, you can do it, trust the process, better days ahead. Take care of yourself, stay focused, keep shining bright, never lose hope, stay cheerful, celebrate today, always keep smiling, life is beautiful, good luck always, to stay strong and kind, you make a difference. Have faith, keep chasing light, you are unique, always do good, keep calm, stay joyful, believe in miracles, you are precious, keep your spirit high, the best is yet to come, make today count, treasure every moment, follow your passion, spread love, keep going strong, take the first step, dream without fear, love yourself, keep the smile alive, push your limits, stay gentle, happiness looks good on you, trust your journey, make memories, enjoy every moment, you are enough, dare to be different, stay balanced, keep doing good work, have courage, be unstoppable, success will follow, stay patient, be honest, you are a star, focus on the good, laugh more, be fearless, choose happiness daily, make someone smile, share love always, stay motivated, you are stronger than you think, be the light, take chances, work hard, shine bright, keep inspiring, smile every day, think positive, spread happiness, be bold, focus on dreams, shine with pride, be hopeful, stay kind-hearted, live with purpose, always keep faith, enjoy today fully, create your own sunshine, be yourself always, celebrate success, stay loyal, embrace change, believe, achieve, succeed, choose to shine, make every second count, you are powerful, keep growing, share joy, work smart, keep loving life, learn daily, be gentle with yourself, make it special, create happiness, always keep trying, never stop learning, smile more, worry less, let love lead, be positive always, keep shining with hope, live with gratitude, keep chasing success, you are limitless, stay calm and happy, believe in your power, good times ahead, enjoy your success, stay brave, stay strong, follow your dreams daily, keep up the good work, make life beautiful, be a rainbow, stay inspired, celebrate small wins, love and light always, be happy always. Great job, friends. Today you learned 200 short and powerful phrases that will make your English strong, confident, and natural. Keep practicing daily, because small steps every day create big success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons with Principal Sir.